Hello, this is Engineer Hamidullah Ayumaya taking you AutoCAD Essentials.
Lesson 4. Units and Limit Command. In this lesson, you learn about the unit and limit command. Unit command is used to define how you measure objects in AutoCAD. Limit command is used to define the area within which the drawing will be drawn. Thanks for buying this course. The unit command.
Choosing unit types. Command units. One of the first tasks in setting up a drawing is to choose the unit type. Units define how objects are measured. You can save the unit type in a template. The coordinates that you use in AutoCAD are measured in units that can represent any real-world measurement, such as inches or millimeters. When you know the units you want to use, you set them in the Drawing Units dialog box. To set the units, start the units command by typing units in the command line, or by going to the application button, Drawing Utilities, and click on Units to open the Drawing Units dialog box. Let us start a new drawing using the metric template. Go to the application menu, click on New. The Select Template dialog box comes up. Select AutoCAD ISO, which is the default metric template in AutoCAD. Now, to set up the units for this drawing, type the unit command. The Drawing Unit dialog box comes up. The left side of the Drawing Unit dialog box enables you to choose which unit type you want to use. In the Precision drop-down list in Length section, click the arrow and the list of precision options drops down. Click the one you want. You can also set an angle type. As with units, your choice of angle type depends on your profession and work environment. Decimal degrees is the default. Setting the angle measure and direction. By convention, degrees increase in a counterclockwise direction, and you measure angles so that 0 degrees starts to the right, also called the east direction. To change the angle direction, click the clockwise in the Drawing Units dialog box to change the direction. To change the direction of 0 degrees, click Direction to open the Direction Control dialog box. In the Direction Control dialog box, you can choose to have 0 degrees start in the direction other than the east. You can also choose Other and type any other angle, or click the Pick an Angle button to specify 2 points in your drawing that define the new angle. Click OK to close the Direction Control dialog box. Click OK to close the Drawing Unit dialog box.
The limit command.
Drawing limits. The drawing limits are the outer edges of the drawing, specified in X, Y units. The lower left limit is 0,0, which is the default. Therefore, the upper right corner really defines the drawing size. The limits define an artificial and invisible boundary to your drawing. However, you can draw outside the limits. The zoom command with the all option also uses the limits, but only if no object is outside the limits. To set the drawing limits, type limits on the command line to start the limits command. Press enter to accept the lower left corner default of 0,0 that appears on the command line. Then type the upper right corner coordinate that you want and press enter. To understand how to use the limits command, follow this exercise. On your screen, this is the gatehouse roof slab. We shall set up the drawing limit for this gatehouse roof slab. Type the limit command. Press enter. In the command line, you are prompted to specify the lower left corner 0,0. Press enter to accept the lower corner. Then you are told to specify the upper right corner. The default is 420,297. Let's check the drawing and the width. Let's specify the limits of the length 5,000 units and the width 5,000 units. Specify the upper right corner. Enter 5,000, 5,000 and press enter. Then you type zoom, enter, then you select the all option, enter A for all.